Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how can you get Cricfy TV on Android TV. First, ensure your TV runs Android TV 9.0 or higher. Then, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Now, go to Settings and Security and Restrictions. Then, turn on unknown sources for the browser or file manager app you'll use to install the APK. Using your TV browser or a USB drive, download the latest Cricfy TV APK compatible with Android TV. Now, open a file manager app on your TV like File Commander. Then, navigate to the APK file and select Install. Wait for the installation to complete. Then, open the Cricfy TV app from your Android TV apps menu. Next, sign in if required or use the guest mode if available. Then, use your Android TV remote or a connected Bluetooth mouse or gamepad to navigate. Some features may work better with a mouse or touchpad for easier scrolling. Periodically, check for APK updates or official app updates to ensure compatibility and access to new features. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.